Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy which can make you earn a lot of money online, and not many affiliate gurus may have taught you this strategy or may keep this strategy hidden, because this is a really great strategy and it provides you a great amount of money, but not all affiliate gurus are willing to share the strategy. But I am sharing this strategy, so watch this video till the end, and I'm telling you very strictly that if you are not interested in taking action, then don't watch this video. But if you are interested in taking action and are serious about making money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then do stick to this video until the end. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, and let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is you have to sign up for a hosting program, okay, as an affiliate. Okay, so just go to bluehost.com/affiliates and sign up for Bluehost. Bluehost is a hosting platform, okay, and many of you know that to create a website we require a hosting, which is a space in the internet which is required so that we can host or we can keep our website to that particular place. Okay, so this is something for which you can sign up as an affiliate. Okay, so what I am recommending is that I'm not going to show you all the stuff and signing up with this and all that stuff. Just understand it, go to this website and sign up for it and get your affiliate link. Okay, that is the first step to this method, to utilize this method. Okay, now the second step after doing this is that you have to go to here. You have to go to YouTube. Okay, let me show you the entire process. Okay, you have to go to YouTube and find out a video, okay, which is how to make a website. Okay, how to make a website using Bluehost. As we are going to promoting Bluehost, so we will be utilizing Bluehost. Okay, so you can find this video. Okay, so this is the video which we will be utilizing. So all you need to do is just click the right button on this video and copy link address. So we have copied the link of this video. Now we are going to utilize the tool which is known as Sniply. Okay, just go to Sniply, post the video link over here. Okay, once you have posted the video link over here, now you just have to click on create snip. And if you don't have a Sniply account, I highly recommend just go sign up for Sniply. It's absolutely free. You can get 1,000 clicks absolutely for free on Sniply. So you have to use this tool and get the free plan. Okay, so now we have got our link over here. Now we are going to create snip. Okay, so the snip is created over here, and you can see here is my snip URL. Here is the Bluehost website hosting. Okay, now I have written this message that get your Bluehost hosting here. Now in the button I have written get it now, and here's the affiliate link. You have to place your affiliate link, but just for now I have not placed my affiliate link because I am currently not promoting Bluehost, but I am promoting another hosting platform. That's the reason. And why I am not promoting Bluehost is because just I am not promoting Bluehost. That is no reason to it, just because I kinda don't like Bluehost a bit. Okay, but you can utilize Bluehost because it is the most popular hosting platform. Okay, and now just post your Bluehost affiliate link over here, and you have to click on this create snip. Okay, very easy. Boom, your snip link is created, and when you visit the snip link you will see something which is really awesome. And when you click on the snip link, you will see that someone who is interested in creating a website will watch this video, okay, which is related to Bluehost and how to create a website with Bluehost. And when he is interested in watching a Bluehost video, and he is probably willing to create a website, and to create a website he will require a Bluehost hosting. Okay, and there is very great chance that he will click on this link and go to Bluehost and buy a service. And once he buys a service of Bluehost, you are gonna get $65 of commission, and that's really awesome. Okay, you are gonna get $65 of commissions directly into your PayPal account once he sign ups for Bluehost. So this is the strategy which we are gonna utilize. Now the thing is that you got your Sniply link. Now where you are gonna share your Sniply link. So this is really important. So I'm gonna show you that just go to Facebook and just search for Make Money Online groups. Okay, and just press the enter button. And once you press this button, just see Make Money Online, and you can see all these groups are available over here. Now click one of the group whichever you like and just post this. Okay, so for example, I'm opening the script and see here I can post. So here I will be posting, hey, here I found this great training which teaches to make money, to make a website. Okay, and now you have to provide your Sniply link over here, and the thing is that this is a video link. Okay, and most of the websites won't ban you if you are promoting a video. They may ban you if you are promoting a affiliate link directly, but they won't ban you because you are promoting a particular video, and everyone knows that video is the most powerful medium to connect with your audience, and there is a huge probability that you will get more and more conversions. Okay, so we have posted our link over here and we have to click on this post button, and something magical will happen. And you can see there this is pending approval, so this will get approved in probably 24 hours, and your post will be in this group. And you can see there are over 50,000 members in this group, and you can really make a great amount of money because you can piggy bank on all these members who are there in this group. And if they are interested in making a website, there is a high probability they will see the video and they will click the Bluehost link, and once they buy the Bluehost, you are gonna get 65 commissions. And even if you make 5 to 6 sales, okay, even if you make 5 to 6 sales, then also you are gonna get more than $300 with this method in a single week. You can make up to $1,000 in a single week utilizing this simple strategy. All you need to do is take some action and you are gonna get a lot of money with this strategy. So not many affiliate gurus are gonna tell you about this strategy, but they are utilizing this strategy, and I have shown you this strategy. So if you like this strategy, just type in take action in the comment box, as well as press the like button so that the YouTube algorithm promotes my videos to more and more people just like you who are willing to make money online. And you can also press the subscribe button as well the bell notification so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos. And you can also check out other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value about Make Money Online video marketing, online business. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.